Carhartt has a legacy of innovation, but it's subtle innovation. Subtle innovation wins the day all the time at Carhartt. One of the problems we were facing was that as Carhartt, as it's 129 years old now, and still family owned, it's fourth generation going into fifth, it really didn't have a consistent voice as to what leadership was.
I don't think we necessarily had a word for what it was that we were missing. There was a lot of different approaches that people had to managing our project, to managing the process, to referencing leadership skills, and we wanted to have some commonality. We've always had really hardworking people, just like we have hardworking product. We didn't necessarily provide those folks with the tools that they needed to develop their leadership capabilities. And as we looked for what that tool might be, we were introduced to Work of Leaders.
It was simple. Vision, alignment, execution, with the sub-drivers. There was not a 10-point list.
There's a pragmatism, there's a practicality to the Work of Leaders that really resonated with Carhartt. Sometimes the simplest things are the most profound.
Everything DiSC was a huge component to making sure we could make the connection to vision, alignment, execution.
Which really helped us identify what people's natural style was. It helped us understand what strengths we had and what areas were maybe blind spots.
We were able to talk to associates with a very simple language, convey that to them, and then see how that took off across the organization.
They would initiate a meeting by saying, this meeting is about visioning, this meeting is about getting us aligned, and that would really set the agenda for the meeting and the expectations.
It gave us a common language, it gave us a baseline for us to work from. It really gave a voice to what is good leadership and where do we have the opportunities. One of the powerful things about the Work of Leaders is we've pulled the group reports that are available and we can see where our biggest opportunity is.
We've really expanded this program. It started with our senior leadership team, but it's also moved well beyond that. It's really cascaded down to people that are working throughout the company. So when we come together, we still have that commonality of this Work of Leaders program.
You want to see that direct connection of something that can be so intimidating as an adult. How do I lead? And with the Work of Leaders and with this program, we get to see it every day.
In the long run, it's really going to lead Carhartt to success for many years. We talk about the Carhartt legacy. These are the folks that are going to be building the legacy 100 years from now.